Hi, I am Julius from Viz Minute Pre-Sales, and I'm very happy to introduce you to a new amazing feature in Viz Mosart, a generic REST driver. This driver makes it possible to send HTTP REST commands to any of your devices without the need of a specific device driver in Mosart. So you can send HTTP GET, PUT, or even POST commands to that device, and the best part is you can add all the stuff from your newsroom system to the command. So if we look in Mosart, you can now add the device to your Mosart settings. So this is a new device, my vector here with the base URL there. I have an authentication as well because it's super important to be secure in a REST API. And if I go to my template, I can just enable a generic REST command here and add a command for my device. I can define if it should be on preview, program, or out. I can define where it goes to, like in the vector would be shortcut equals something. And then you can add parameters, and these parameters, let's call it like cross point, can be anything from the newsroom system. So I could define a newsroom tag so my journalist can fill in something that will be sent to my device. So if you have a coffee machine in your gallery that you want to use and you want the journalist to give a choice, if he want to have like a cappuccino or an Americano, he can just trigger that from Mosart right now. Isn't that amazing? If you need more information about that, just call me or Viz Minute and we're happy to help you.